How to find cheap deals on SHEIN. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best cheap deals on SHEIN so you can save a lot of money while shopping online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to check the sales or flash deals section. So here what you can do is you can simply open the SHEIN app, and from there you can simply go to the sale and super deal section, and there you'll find items up to 70% off or more, including clothes, accessories, or even shoes as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to use the coupon codes. So a lot of people don't know about this, but you can type promo codes directly into the search bar inside the app to unlock special discount pages. And some users online say codes can give up to 90% off categories. So just remember, not all codes always works. So try a few in the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to filter by price. So here, while browsing, you can use the filters like a low price or the high price, like a certain dollar limit. And with that, SHEIN has tons of items under that particular amount, sometimes even under $1 in deal section. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check daily flash sales. So SHEIN updates deals daily, and these flash sales often comes and include limited time discounts, trending items, best selling products. So check regularly, and with that, the prices will change fast too. And with that, moving forward to the final step, that is to add items to cart and wait. So here is a smart tip. So here what you can do is you can add items to your cart and wait a bit. And sometimes SHEIN sends extra discount, limited time coupons as well. And that's all about it. So SHEIN is popular because of its very low prices and constant new deals, but quality can vary. So shop smart and always check the reviews. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.